say James, or it'll say Kyle and James, but this is James. This is Kyle. Oh yeah, you like that. Oh yeah.
Oh no.
He's my sex slave. Here, hold this. I'll get it.
Remember when you said
I'm just kidding.
Remember you said
I have a girlfriend.
Remember when you said that in like our second video? You said, "Oh no, that boy, that poor sex slave." Do you think anybody actually fell for a zombie video? Like, you think Trey would? You think Trey would fall? You think Trey would fall for that video if he watched it?
This there's gotta be 2 people. Go.
Oh no, you gotta move this way. It won't go. You gotta bounce.
Don't touch my car. He's touching my car.
That was cool.
Levitation. Too bad I didn't get any of it on video.
You should have just set it up.
Go, set it up.